I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
Welcome to Antalya. We're picking up our car. Ini sa Turkey. Papuntang BFO.
Wala traffic.
Mall of Antalya. So we're just gonna stay here for like 8 hours. It's almost 2 AM na, and alis na rin kami dito ng 8 AM papuntang Olo Dennis and Cash. Let's have our meal and then maliligo tayo and then let's sleep. Bye! Good night! Good morning! So it's our first day in Antalya and we're just gonna have our breakfast, then we're gonna check out. And this is the pool! Wow! Breakfast. Ayan, bumili ako ng SIM card, eSIM. So, 5 gig for 30 days. So, it's just €6. Amintas Rock Tombs. Ayan yung ano namin, ruta namin. Going to Kayakoy Ghost Town. Ayun sa'yo, parang sila naman kumain dyan. Hi guys! We're here at Kayakoy Ghost Town after almost 3-hour drive. So that's the ghost town. So they call this the abandoned village. The weather's perfect and it's kind of breezy, so it's not too hot. So you ordered pineapple mango shake, Turkish coffee. So para lang siyang espresso shot. How was it?
Sarap. Espresso shot, clean yung lasa. Ito, parang may buhangin.
Kitang-kita mo yung grains. Thank you. This is feta cheese sandwich. Hati tayo ah.
Pasti no.
Let's eat. Nagdadrive lang kami papuntang Kayakoy Ghost Town. And then we saw this restaurant kasi ang ganda ng view. I didn't expect na ganito siya kalaki. Ito? This is so refreshing. Ay, may mga restaurants din dito. Oh, souvenir shop. Oh, cute. Cute baby, oh. Ito rin, babe, oh. Ikaw. Ito rin, ang dami, oh. Ay, kita. Nature. Peacock, peacock. Oh, cute though. Nice. Just more stones. Emma Stone. Jade rollers. May tatlong bibe akong nakita. Baby, 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 baby. Habol niya ako. Nasa Camp John Hay na po tayo. Baguio. Wow, it's so nice. Ang ganda naman dito. tour. So we're here at Hotel Mary. It's the TV, a mini bar. There's coffee and tea, and then this is the bed. It's kind of spacious. So there. So that's the bathroom. So I'm using this E45. So this is for sensitive skin. And then Ivan is using this one, Nivea Protect and Care. So it's also 50+ UVB and UVA. So it's blue. Spray it on. Parang bata, diba? Let's go! This is the pool bar. And there is a gym and spa. Malakish. Bread. Burger. Fries. Irish snack. Okay, so this is the lagoon or the beach front.
Kuha tayong towel. Dito sa spa. Just forget towels.
Yes, baby! So this is the Blue Lagoon here in Ola Denise. Super lakas ng alon. OMG. Time check. It's 7 p.m. And after the show is the after party. Ang gaganda na lamps nila, oh. My mom would love these. As in, gusto na mami ko ng mga ganito. And ayan yung magkakatabing bars. Ayan. Hi! Wow, ang daming restaurant. Little pero Liddy. Sabi ng Asda. Wow! Party party! Sports Direct. It's sunset. Oh, bakit may wild boar dito? Ano yung mga baboy ramo? And this is the main dining hall. Salad. My rice, yay. Chicken.
One chicken.
Spaghetti. Ayun. Dinner time. Fish ba to? Turkish. Para siyang, black. Mapait. Good morning! It's our second day here in Ola Denise, and we are just going to have our breakfast now. It's already 7 a.m. and we'll be leaving around 8 a.m. going to Cash. So let's go. Let's have our breakfast. May free water activities din. Tapos dun banda, dun kami nanggaling kahapon, yung sa Ola Denise Beach. Sa kabilang side nun.
Tastes like
jump, jump. Yan, basta. Hello! Ano ba itong ason to? Iuwi na natin to. Kanina pa tayo sinusundan. Let's have our breakfast. This is our breakfast. Wow. Ooh. Egg. With this view. Yarm. Blue Lagoon. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo yung way natin. Bakit ng bundok ganyan?
Changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back.
We're on our way to Kaputash Beach.
Bago na naman siyang asong kasama.
So may changing room din sila dito and shower area. Grabe ang dami hagdan, no? Baby, nagtutwinkle yung siyo. Ganda. Look at that red rock. Red rock. Yuta yan. Bye, Kaputash. Bye-bye. Grabe, super lamig ng tubig. So we're here at Kush Old Town. Ay, look at the floor. So we're having lunch. This is grilled chicken, and then that's orange chicken and chicken fajita. So puro chicken. Let's eat, and ayan, looking for chicken. Hi! Makalmutin nga ako. Of course, Turkish tea. So this is 300. Ito daw pang shoe sa mga demon. Ito. Thank you. You too. Ano tayo? We're now here at Antifelos Amphitheater. So may free parking doon. Nag-park lang kami banda doon. Tapos, ayun. Akitin lang namin sandali ito. Tapos diretso na kami sa Antalya. May gasoline boy. Nakakapanibago. Nasa amin na itong car for 2 days and this is the first time na nagpagas kami. Room tour! So when you enter the room, there's the cabinet. There's also a safe, 2 rows, bathroom, a hair dryer, toiletries. It's the shower area. Shower gel, lotion, shampoo, oral care, comb, may loofah, the toilet. This is the room. There are 3 sleepers. We have 1 queen size bed and 1 single bed. The telly. Hi, babe. Wine and fruits. And then for the mini bar, then there's tea and coffee, a working desk, the balcony. Naririnig niyo na ba yun? Titanic. Ay. Taray.
On Davut Igorka. Hello, where you from?
Oh, nice.
Kasi na tayo. Hello. Spa na yata ito eh. Baka dyan. Nawawala kami, guys.
Yan yata.
Red. Wow. Baklava. Wow. The dessert. Juice bar. Patisserie. Gelato. Chicken and Asian. I want this. Bulalo ba ito eh? Our first meal here at Kerman Belazur. Yeah! So there's also a photo shop, watch shop, disco, tattoo shop, jewelry shop. May tiyangge sa loob ng hotel. Punta tayo dun sa arena. So this is one of their pools. So ito yung slides for the kids. So yung sunset bar, may live performance. And of course, free drinks because it's all inclusive. So alcoholic, non-alcoholic, everything is free. Shisha! May performance dyan. Ito yung event for this week.
Nice eyes. What's her name?
Sophia.
Sophia.
Bago ka favorite? Ano?
Jack Honey Diary.
Disco. Walang tao. So, andito lang kami sa parking lot ngayon. Kinukuha ni Ivan yung wallet niya. Night buffet daw. Oh, night buffet. May rice. Halos ito rin yung nasa dinner kanina. FS Vault.